welcome to Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris. Today we have here a BMW 120 M Sport finished in metallic blue. So today I'll showcase some exterior features and interior features of the car. Now as we head to the front here, we have your 18-inch diamond cut upgraded M Sport alloys. To the front we have the M Sport styling bumper, that more aggressive look, iconic BMW kidney grills. We have your adaptive LED headlights as well here to the side here. Now the trim is finished in high gloss black. We have your high gloss black roof as well with the finish. This car also comes with rear privacy glass, as you can see. And now to the back we have your boot. Here is space for storage in your boot, as well as that we have some extra space here down the bottom. So you come now into the rear interior of the car. The seats are finished in beige leather. Here we have Isofix child safety support systems. We have some extra storage in your left hand side and your right hand side passenger doors as well. We are now in the front driver's seat of the vehicle. Ahead of me we have your M Sport leather steering wheel. This M Sport leather steering wheel comes with 2 sport adaptive paddle shifters. We have your media controls on the right. We have your cruise controls on the left hand side. Ahead of the steering wheel we have your M Sport speedometer. As well as that, to the left we have the main infotainment system. This main infotainment system comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It is fully automatic touchscreen as well. We have your navigation settings here. We have your media settings, as well as your reverse parking camera and your reverse parking assist. So you head down from the main infotainment system, we have your climate control zone here. We have space to put your phone. We have 2 cup holder space for charging wires, your gear and your transmission, and then as well as that, your mid glove box compartment. This BMW 1 Series 120 M Sport is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as on our Joe Duffy BMW website itself. All of our BMW approved and used cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you guys have any more questions or queries and want to book a test drive, please feel free to reach out to us here at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day. Bye bye.